What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be doing my morning routine. So if you want to see the rest of this video, go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me which video you'd like to see next. Alrighty, guys, enjoy the video. So right about now, I'm just grabbing my toothbrush and I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna show you my skin routine, and then I'm gonna show. Well, this video is basically showing you what I do on a regular basis in the mornings. So yeah, have a peek in my life. Alrighty, guys, do enjoy the rest of the video. The video is all about listening to music and watch what I am doing and so forth. I'm gonna grab the Morning Burst facial cleansing scrub, and I'm going to put some in my palms. Then I'm gonna grab the Essential Face Foam, and I'm gonna put the two of them together and apply it to my face just before I apply my facial mask. And this is what I do, like every now and then, but not often, because I don't really have a skin routine. I just do this whenever I wish. So now I'm gonna grab my detoxing charcoal face mask or mud mask, and I'm going to apply it to my face evenly, just a thin coat. You can use it. So you're gonna allow it to dry for 10 minutes, and as you'll see in the following clip, I look like a ghost walking around. Alrighty. Alright, guys, so now I'm going to iron my uniform. As you know, I'm going to work right about now. So I have about 30 minutes to get ready. I had about 30 minutes to get ready to go to work. So I said within the 30 minutes I'll make this video. So now I'm gonna press my uniform out, as you'll see in the following clip. to the hair now, guys. So I'm just gonna style my hair. As you can see, I haven't braids, so I won't be doing anything much. So moving on to my hair, I'm just gonna loose it, flick it to the back. Maybe I'll tie some up. So I'm gonna alright. So I'm gonna do a half up and half down ponytail right about now. You'll see me do it. So now I'm gonna grab my hair tie, my edge control, and of course I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply it around the edge of the perimeter of my hair. Then grab my tail comb or whatever, your edge brush, your whatever you use. And then I'm gonna bring it up into a ponytail with my hair tie. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna show you what I'll be having for breakfast, and this is what I normally have. So just something light in the mornings, and then I'll have lunch and dinner, of course. So I'm just gonna have some frosted flakes and some milk. Let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend, share with a family, share with a cousin, share with everyone you know. Alrighty guys, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video.